Rahul Gandhi versus Election Commission has escalated. This after Lok Sabha leader of opposition doubled down on his poll-rigged charge. He has now said that if the poll body has nothing to hide, why is it not answering the questions mentioned in his article? Not just that, he has also asked the poll body to release the voter rolls for the recent elections of all states, including Maharashtra. Earlier, the Election Commission rejected Rahul Gandhi's Maharashtra polls rigged claim and said that he is defaming the poll body after receiving an unfavorable verdict from the voters and that it is absurd. It also asserted that the Congress leader shouldn't spread misinformation and demotivate the election staff. BJP, meanwhile, has dismissed Rahul Gandhi's remarks and has accused him of spreading falsehoods, fearing loss in Bihar. It has also asked him not to defame the institutions without any proof. Rahul Gandhi earlier said that 2024 Maharashtra elections were rigged to favor the BJP and that Bihar is next.
The political temperatures in Bihar are soaring as parties gear up for battleground Bihar. Rahul Gandhi drops a bombshell. The leader of opposition has accused the BJP of rigging polls in Maharashtra assembly elections last year. The Gandhi sign claimed that 2024 Maharashtra elections was a blueprint of rigging the democracy, which began by appointments in the Election Commission. Further escalating his attack, Rahul accused the BJP of adding fake voters to the voter list and then getting bogus voting done. Rahul even cautioned that a similar formula will be applied in Bihar. These remarks have stoked a massive political storm. The Congress rallying behind Rahul claimed that genuine voters were removed from the voter list and there was substantial proof.
लाखों वोटर all of a sudden वोटर बन जा रहे हैं और जो ऑथेंटिक वोटर्स थे वो ऑल ऑफ अ सडन 1-1.5-2 महीने के भीतर वो वोटिंग लिस्ट से गायब हो रहे। तो इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया के पाले में गेंद है, वो अपनी पोजीशन क्लेरिफाई करे और बिहार के चुनाव में या आने वाली किसी भी चुनाव में इस प्रकार की धांधली न हो, वो सुनिश्चित करेंगे।
Other opposition parties have echoed a similar tone.
उनको झूठ का आशीर्वाद मिल रहा है, उनको फरेब का आशीर्वाद मिल रहा है, उनको फ्रॉड का आशीर्वाद मिल रहा है, उनको चुनाव आयोग के द्वारा की जा रही धांधली का और प्रशासन के द्वारा की जा रही धांधली का आशीर्वाद मिल रहा है। तो अगर उसके भरोसे वो चुनाव जीतना चाहते हैं तो फिर चुनाव की निष्पक्षता पे तो सवाल उठेगा ही उठेगा।
The ECI snubbed Rahul and urged him not to spread misinformation and repeat the unsubstantiated allegations that were already clarified. The poll body claimed voting was held in front of the polling agents and electoral rolls were given to Congress. It also claimed that no complaints were raised before Maharashtra polls. The BJP reminded Congress that it never raises the EVM issue when they win in state elections.
मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूँ कि जब तक राहुल गांधी जमीन पर नहीं उतरेंगे, तथ्यों को जब तक वो नहीं समझेंगे, अपने आप को झूठा आश्वासन और झूठा दिलासा देंगे, तब तक उनकी पार्टी कभी जीत नहीं सकती।
विगत 15 वर्षों में जितने चुनाव राहुल गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में पूरे देश भर में लड़े गए, 99% चुनाव में फेल हो गए हो। क्या सब जगह पे ईवीएम खराब? और यदि आपके पास कुछ पुख्ता सबूत है, किसने रोका है आपको? क्यों नहीं जाते न्यायपालिका में? क्या उस पर भी आपका भरोसा नहीं है?
With polls in Bihar due in a few months, will Rahul's charges of election rigging strike a chord among voters? Bureau Report, India Today.